Hi guys, welcome back to Season 5, Episode 2 of Risky Outdoors. In this episode, I'm going to head back to southern Michigan to chase after some gobblers with a stick and string. Mother's Day weekend, my first weekend turkey hunting 2017, kicking off Season 5 for me. I'm in Michigan, and as you can see, I am bright and early. Slept through my alarm after a long drive in from Wisconsin, so got a couple days. Hopefully I can get it done in the few days that we are home. So Mother's Day weekend, the weekend Cassandra killed her big bird, so we'll see. Next weekend we'll be in Wisconsin chasing after some birds, so hopefully we get it down in Michigan and then head back and have a successful week in Wisconsin, so we'll see. Alright, we just got in and got set up. Turkeys usually come from straight out in front of us. We're kind of sitting over a big planted field right now. As you can see, I gotta shut that window. That sun's just beating in through there, but we got the turkey 2 decoys set up. We have a jake and then a bedded hen. Looks like he's coming in on her, so hopefully we get some turkeys calling or come running in here shortly. End of the first morning here in Michigan, my turkey hunt, and my cameraman Josh was supposed to come out, but ended up having some daddy duties that he had to stick to and watch the kids this morning, so I'm kind of flying solo. And I got out late this morning after a long drive in from Wisconsin, and yeah, it was allergies and sick, so got out late. I saw 11 deer and a couple geese landed in the field, which is cool to see all that wildlife. 2 mama does with the yearlings and then a nanny doe, and yeah, just a bunch of deer, but no turkeys, so we're gonna come back out tomorrow morning. I might try to sneak out tonight depending on how dinner and everything goes with the family, so we'll see. Alright, it's Sunday, Mother's Day. I got in here plenty early this morning. There's gobblers going off all over to the east of me. I had a coyote run by my set, but he was outside of range. He was probably 100 yards away. It never stopped. It was pretty cool to see this morning. But I don't know if these gobblers are out of the trees yet because it doesn't sound like they're moving. But they are responding. I have a hen kind of behind me, and I've kind of been working her to try to get her up here. I have a live decoy out here. It would be nice, but definitely there's like 2 or 3 sets of gobblers going off to the east of me, so hopefully Mother's Day pays off. Cassandra shot her first bird on Mother's Day, and
a dandy at that. So, yeah, we're just gonna keep at it, and hopefully we can get one of these bad boys to come in. Two little bucks coming in. They both have nubs on their head. They're walking right at me. This is gonna get pretty cool. See how close they can come in. Alright, it is later in the morning. It's about 6:30. And as soon as those birds hit the ground, all that gobbling just kind of shut up. But I'm wondering if that coyote ran by all their trees that they roost in and kind of put a hush-hush on everything. But I did just hear my first couple gobbles now in the last 10 minutes that I've heard since they were in the trees this morning. So we'll see. I got a few more hours until I gotta pack it up and take Mama out to lunch. So we will see. We'll see what happens. Hopefully we get a big old strutter to come on me on it. Smoked him. Self-built, baby. And I just smoked a giant longbeard. He was so far away, and I just kept working that bird. I wanted to get a headshot, but he was too far. He didn't come right into my decoy set. But just an absolute toad of a turkey. Mother's Day weekend just never fails. And Cassandra and I both put down birds on Mother's Day weekend, and it's just, I think it is, Mother's Day is like the golden ticket for us. That is my first ever turkey bow kill. And I think he is right over this ridge. I smoked him
that kudu hit him so hard, and he, I think he's right over the ridge. We're gonna get out and go check. I got my arrow. Definitely covered in feathers. Fletching's gone. Blood all over. Let's see if we can't track this turkey and find him. He's not right on the ridge, so hopefully he's down pretty close.
Good start for me, season 5 of Risky Outdoors. This turkey was not at the bottom of the hill. We had to leave and go to lunch for Mother's Day, and then came back and I brought out my in-laws to help us track it. And yeah, he's a little wet because he died in the river. So, but yeah, it's my first ever turkey bow kill, self-filmed. Good way for me to start season 5 of Risky Outdoors. After a couple days of really getting after it with a bow and arrow, I was able to get it done. The turkey, you could see, came into the set. Wasn't too sure about it, so he didn't actually come right into my decoys. I wanted to take the headshot, but he just wasn't feeling it. So I elected to take the further shot and ended up harvesting the bird, which is a great thing. So I was pretty pumped. My first bird with a bow and arrow. So moving forward, guys, we have some super exciting hunts. Addie with her first deer in southern Michigan. Myself heading out to Montana with Cassandra after chasing after some bugle and elk, and it was probably one of the greatest trips I've ever been on. Absolutely phenomenal. We had some pretty cool footage that we laid down for you guys. So keep an eye out for those. We're going to try to roll them out a little bit quicker than this last one and then this video. So as always, we want to thank you guys for watching Risky Outdoors.